Today's video is on the top 3 best garden gloves. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Cooljob. 2 pairs gardening gloves. Looking for gloves that can handle all your outdoor work while keeping you comfortable? These gardening gloves are designed for both men and women, offering a perfect balance of breathability, comfort, and durability. Made from a fabric blend of 68% bamboo rayon, 28% nylon, and 4% spandex. They are not only gentle on sensitive skin, but also enhance breathability. This means less sweating and more comfort during those long hours spent working in the garden or tackling outdoor projects. The stretchy, seamless knitted back of the gloves ensures a snug fit while keeping your hands cool and dry no matter the season. But comfort is just the beginning. These gloves feature an ergonomic design that allows you to work for hours without feeling discomfort. The soft yet durable foamed nitrile coating provides a secure non-slip grip, so you can easily handle garden tools, whether you're planting, pruning, or weeding. The coating is also designed to withstand long-term wear, meaning the gloves can handle even the toughest tasks. The black rubber coating hides dirt, so your gloves always look fresh and clean, no matter how messy your work gets. In addition to being comfortable and durable, these gloves are designed to protect you from dirt and debris. The extended cuff reaches up to your wrist, keeping it safe from mud, dirt, and other elements that can get in the way of your work. Your hands and wrists will stay clean and dry throughout the job. And for those moments when you need to check your phone or text someone, these gloves feature touchscreen capability, allowing you to use your smartphone without taking them off. When it comes to the fit, these gloves are available in 4 sizes to ensure that both men and women get the perfect fit. They're unisex in design and are made to stay snug and secure as you work, giving you flexibility without sacrificing comfort. No matter what task you're tackling, whether it's gardening, landscaping, fishing, farming, or DIY projects, these gloves are versatile enough to handle it all. Their all-season design ensures that you'll be able to rely on them year-round, whether you're dealing with hot summer days or chilly winter mornings. And don't worry about running out of gloves. This set includes 2 pairs, so you'll always have a backup when you need it. These gloves come in a thoughtful gift package from Cooljob, making them a perfect present for anyone who loves gardening or outdoor work. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or special occasion like Thanksgiving or Christmas, these gloves are a practical and appreciated gift that's sure to make any gardener or landscaper smile. The packaging comes in 2 types, either a can or a box, sent randomly, adding a surprise element to your gift. With these gloves, you'll enjoy comfort, protection, and durability for all your outdoor tasks. Tap subscribe faster than you throw off muddy gloves after a long day in the garden. Number 2, best overall. Handlandy Work Gloves. Ever get frustrated with gloves that make your hands sweat and feel stiff? These flexible and breathable spandex-backed gloves solve that problem by keeping your hands cool and comfortable, even during long hours of work. The stretchable fabric moves with you, giving you a snug yet non-restrictive fit. Whether you're handling tools, lifting materials, or working in warm conditions, you won't have to deal with that uncomfortable, overheated feeling. Using your phone or tablet while wearing gloves can be a hassle. Constantly taking them off just to send a quick message or check an email is annoying. But with these touchscreen compatible fingertips, you can stay connected without removing your gloves. Whether you're answering a call, adjusting settings on a smart device, or taking a quick photo of your project, you'll have full touchscreen functionality while keeping your hands protected. If you've ever accidentally knocked your hand against a hard surface while working, you know how painful it can be. That's why these gloves come with foam padded knuckles, offering an extra layer of protection to absorb impact and reduce the risk of injury. Whether you're working with tools, moving materials, or just dealing with rough surfaces, this padding helps prevent those unexpected and painful bumps. Hand tools and power tools can put a lot of strain on your hands, leading to fatigue, soreness, and discomfort. That's where the foam padded palm comes in, helping to reduce shock and vibrations from tools like drills, hammers, and saws. This extra cushioning makes a big difference, especially during long hours of work, allowing you to stay comfortable while keeping a firm grip on your tools. Need a reliable pair of gloves for everyday tasks? These lightweight and flexible utility gloves are perfect for yard work, gardening, and home improvement projects. Whether you're pulling weeds, planting flowers, fixing things around the house, or handling tools in the garage, these gloves provide just the right balance of protection, flexibility, and comfort. They're built for durability, but won't feel bulky or restrictive, making them the ideal choice for anyone who wants to work efficiently while keeping their hands protected. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Workpro Garden Gloves. When it comes to work gloves, you need something that balances durability with flexibility. These gloves are coated with an advanced eco-latex material, offering exceptional resistance to wear and tear while allowing your hands to move freely. Whether you're gripping tools, handling rough materials, or performing precise tasks, these gloves provide the protection you need without restricting movement. The skid-proof waffle-textured surface enhances your grip, giving you better control and reducing hand fatigue. With improved grip and flexibility, you can work more efficiently and with greater confidence, whether you're in the garden, garage, or workshop. Comfort is just as important as durability, and these gloves are designed to keep your hands feeling great all day long. Made from highly breathable and stretchable polyester, they offer excellent airflow to keep your hands cool and dry, even in warm weather. The flexible fabric moves with your fingers, providing superior dexterity for detailed work. Unlike stiff, bulky gloves that make tasks harder, these lightweight gloves give you the perfect balance of comfort and protection. Whether you're planting flowers, pulling weeds, or assembling intricate parts, your hands will feel comfortable and unrestricted. Gardening and yard work can be tough on your hands, leading to scratches, blisters, and dirt buildup. These gloves provide full coverage to protect your skin from minor injuries while keeping your nails clean. No more dealing with stubborn dirt under your fingernails or painful scrapes from thorny plants. They make gardening and outdoor chores much more enjoyable, so you can focus on creating a beautiful landscape without worrying about hand discomfort or damage. These gloves aren't limited to gardening. They're perfect for a wide range of tasks, including household chores, auto repairs, mechanical work, construction, and various DIY projects. If you're fixing a leaky sink, changing a tire, or building a backyard project, these gloves provide reliable grip and protection. The set includes 6 pairs, so you'll always have a fresh pair ready to go. Plus, they're washable, making them easy to clean and reuse. Instead of constantly replacing worn-out gloves, you can count on these to last through multiple projects. Choosing the right size is important for both comfort and performance. To ensure the best fit, check their size chart before ordering. With the right size, you'll get the most out of these gloves, allowing you to work efficiently while keeping your hands protected. Whether you're a gardener, DIY enthusiast, mechanic, or just someone who likes to get things done, these gloves are a must-have. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.